Hello, my name is Tran, and today is July 27. I would like to present my website for the U of T mobile compatible web programming. First, I would like to tell you a little bit about my website. My website is a personal portfolio website that is fully responsive using Media Query, HTML5, and JavaScript. This website will give you some general information about me, my hobby, my work portfolio, and how to contact me. So that it showcases some of the mobile responsive features that I learned through the U of T course, such as camera API, media query, touch and gesture, such as swiping up or down, or pinching, geolocation, HTML5 video tag, vibration, etc. The phone I use to test the feature, the 10 top feature is Motorola X. It's an Android phone. All the mobile features on my website have been tested on uh, Android 6.0 Marshmallow on the following browser: Chrome 51.7, Firefox 47, and Opera 37. And here are just some of the key highlights of my websites that I like to tell you about. It uses some semantic HTML5 markup for responsive development. It's also using media query and touch event, and also use JavaScript and tools like Modernizer to detect certain features such as geolocation is supported or not. Okay, without further ado, I would like to present to you the 10 features and the result of testing it on the various browser on a Android phone. Okay, so the first feature I'd like to talk about is the HTML5 validated form view, and this is found on the contact page, right? So in this contact page, I use HTML require attribute and also placeholder attribute, as you can see on the contact page. And apparently, uh, in Chrome is supported, Firefox supported, and for Opera is also supported. For feature number two, my project for my website, I use a modernizer to display a box with rounded corner. So as you can see here, there is a from this website, there is a blue box with a rounded corner right here. As you can see that this is using Modernizer to create the square box with rounded corner. And for feature 2, it's actually supported on Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. Feature number 3 I like to talk about is using the HTML5 video tag, and you can see it on my website here on the About Me page. And as you can see here, I'm using a video HTML5 video tag that's simply displaying a video to the end user when the page is loaded. And what I can tell you on the result of the video feature is that for video HTML5 video feature is actually supported on all three browsers: Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. Okay, so let me just turn this off for a moment here and move on to the next feature. So the next feature after that is the Feature number 4 is the CSS Media Query feature, and I can show you here from the home page of my website. I'm using Media Query so that when you're using viewing it on a mobile device, you will see. You can see right here as I slowly scale down the page, you can see the image from my slideshow has disappeared. And if you notice at the top, the horizontal menu also transform into a drop-down menu on a mobile device. And lastly, the About Me, Contact Me, and Hobby section actually is displayed on one vertical column instead of whereas on the desktop it's actually displaying in 3 rows. Next, I would like to talk about the feature number 5 is the show location geolocation feature, and as you can see here, if you click on this see my button, say share location, it's actually showing my current location at this moment. Just going back to the result for the video tag is actually supported on all browser, and also for CSS Media Query feature number 4 is also supported on all 3 browser. For geolocation, it's actually not supported on Chrome, not supported on Firefox, and is supported on Opera. Next, I would like to talk to you about the feature number 6, which is the using the Hammer JavaScript feature. On the phone, you can swipe left or right to see the background, or up and down to see the background changes, and also the text changes, as you can see here. And for the gesture feature, it is supported on all 3 browsers. Feature number 7 is on the contact page, which I will show you right now. You go to my website and click on Contact Me. I'm talking about this Tell URI feature. What it does is actually launch an application that if you're on a mobile device, it's actually gonna open the phone so that it can conveniently allow the user to call this number instead of having to manually So as you can see, the Tell URI scheme feature is supported on all 3 browsers. Next, I'm going to talk about the feature number 8, which is Media Capture Media API. It's actually supported on Chrome, it's not supported on Firefox, and it's supported on Opera. And as you can see here, this camera API actually allow the user to take a picture from their camera, and it's actually display it on the website. And feature number 9 is actually camera feature is actually supported on Chrome. It's not supported on Firefox, and it's supported on Opera. So feature 9, battery status, is actually not supported on Chrome. It is supported on Firefox, and it is supported on Opera. And finally, the last feature is vibration. It's supported on Chrome. It's not supported on Firefox, and it's supported on Opera. This is the vibration feature that you see on the phone. You can click on this button to vibrate.